Hey everyone, thanks for checking out the video. Today we're going to be going over something simple yet critical to doing your books right, and that's linking your bank accounts to your QuickBooks Online account. So this is nothing new, it's not that complicated, but I did want to cover it because it's going to be a key piece of doing your bookkeeping right. So before we begin, my name is Alex King. I own and operate a bookkeeping firm called JM Capital Bookkeeping Solutions. We offer bookkeeping services for people in the trades, whether that's handyman, plumbers, painters, electricians, drywall guys, HVAC, you name it. So if you're new to business, going into business for yourself for the first time, maybe you've been at it for a few years and you're just overwhelmed with sales, overwhelmed with demand, and your bookkeeping is falling behind, those are the people that we like to help. So I also own and operate Mountain Handyman Company. Been at that for 4 years. Had to learn a lot of mistakes the hard way. So I'm doing this to help people try and avoid all the painful lessons that I had to learn myself. So let's get into it here. So this is QuickBooks Online. This is the home page. This is the main page you're going to see every time you log into QuickBooks. So to get to our banking screen, we're going to come over here to the accounting tab, and we're going to choose bank transactions. This is going to take you to your main bank transaction screen. And this is an important page because this is where the bulk of your bookkeeping work is going to take place. Bookkeeping is really just categorizing all the transactions that come through your business accounts. So you can see right here, spent some money at Walmart, spent some money on Amazon, made a credit card payment, spent some money with Microsoft software. So as I'm bookkeeping, I'm going to be going through and categorizing all these transactions. The reason you want to link your bank account into QuickBooks is because QuickBooks is really good and they're going to pull all that transaction data in automatically. If you don't link your bank account, you're going to have to manually upload all of your banking information, and it can be pretty time consuming. So what we want to do is we want to link our bank accounts into QuickBooks using this link account feature. It's pretty self-explanatory, honestly, but here's the point where you initiate it. You're going to link your bank account. You're going to choose which institution you have, and you're going to follow the on-screen prompts. I'm not going to walk through it because it's extremely self-explanatory and user-friendly. But the thing that I did want to talk about is it can be a little uneasy, a little unsettling because you're going to have to use your banking login information. So whatever your username and password is that you use to log in to your online banking, QuickBooks is going to want that login information to establish the account. And if you're like me, that's very sensitive information and it can be very scary to give it out. So I just want to say that you can trust QuickBooks. They do this for hundreds of thousands of people across the world, and they have very robust security, and it's definitely safe to link your bank account and give them that information. So I wouldn't worry. But if you are really worried and you don't want to give that information, that's okay. But you're going to have to manually upload your banking transactions. And I just want to show you real quick where that's done. You can come up here to the gear icon, import data, and from here you can choose bank data and import. Once you get to this screen, once a month, as your bank issues the statements for the month, you can download that statement, come to this screen. Let's say I'm doing it for my checking account. So this is my main checking account here. And I would upload that PDF right here and then just follow the steps. So that's how you're going to manually import your data. And that is if you don't want to link the bank account. But I highly recommend linking the bank account because it makes things super easy. So that's all for today. Quick lesson. Linking the bank account in QuickBooks, very important, also super easy. But sometimes I know QuickBooks can be a little confusing on where you go to do certain things. So I just wanted to give that quick walkthrough so you can see where you go in the software to link the bank account. Again, my name is Alex King. I do a free Q&A every Wednesday morning from 7:30 to 8:30. It's open to anyone. If you'd like to come, you have questions about how to do your bookkeeping right, questions about QuickBooks, really questions about running the financial administrative side of your business and the trades. I'm more than happy to answer any questions, be a resource for you. I truly believe that a rising tide raises all ships. So the more I can help fellow people in the trades, um, the better we all do. There's a link in the description. You can sign up through Calendly or feel free to reach out to me directly at the contact information on the screen.